Okay, so one ready. One more to go here. Always fun hooking up the first time of the year, but I got her. Everything seems to be working all right. Okay, so I got my old plow in here, the one it goes on Dad's truck. I did a kind of makeover last year. Still looks pretty good, I guess. The cover I put on there, it's a little wrinkly. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but it's kind of wrinkled up a little bit. But yeah, it still probably looks, well, I know it looks better than what it did before. But yeah, I'm gonna do a fluid change. I've done that many times on film, guys. I don't think I need to do it again, but I'm gonna do a fluid change, and yeah, this thing will be ready to go on Dad's truck. We'll get that on there, get it tested, make sure it's working. I'm supposed to get some snow the end of the week here, so yeah, we'll see. I'll believe it when it's on the ground. I think I've heard 8+ inches. I've heard 1 to 3 inches. So when it's on the ground, that's when I'll believe it. I'm just shocked at how dirty the bottom of that gets every year, because I clean it out every year, and I'm just shocked at how much dirt. So you want to do this yearly. You want to change the fluid and get all that junk out of there. Okay, so the plow is on the truck. Everything's working good except for it doesn't seem to be raising it up all the way. I think we had trouble last year when we got it out for the first time. Seemed like needed to run a little bit before it started raising up all the way. I did spray some blaster on the pin there that moves. That probably got all rusty from sitting. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll come out of that. But it does plow. The blade just doesn't come up all the way. And when once we get some piles and you're able to drive into it, probably be able to raise it up better after that anyway. But anyway, all the plows are ready for the snow. I think they went down with the number of inches. And like I said, once it's on the ground, I'll believe it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video getting the plows on everything. I'll see you guys.